gonna... Oh, look at that! Dad's moving this couch. Alright, so this is where Steven parks the flatbed trailer right here. This is our parking spot for the flatbed trailer. And people just use this as a dumping site. They just absolutely... They think that this is a personal garbage. All kinds of stuff. So for 17, 18 years, they have let Steven park the flatbed right here. And he's tired of all this stuff being dumped. Tired of it. So in order to express appreciation...
This is what no good people do.
So in order to express appreciation... AJ, start picking stuff up. In order to express appreciation... Oh! No! No! I thought you chained it up. That's
a broken toilet. That's not going to go in the bag.
Oh, that ain't going to go in the bag?
It just ripped through.
yeah. Just somebody actually dumped their sofa down here. Look at that.
And a broken toilet.
Yeah, that will just rip out the garbage bag. I guess he's just taking that. Well, look at that. He's just going to take that on down to. Oh, look at that. That sounds like, you know, look at that. He's just dragging. You don't see that every day. Look at that. There he goes around the. Look at that.
Yeah, pee bottle.
That's funny.